Are you over 40, 50, or even 60 and wondering how to stay strong, energetic, and healthy without spending hours at the gym? What if I told you there are just 5 simple exercises that can change your life, helping you build strength, improve balance, and boost your overall health? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a powerful workout plan tailored perfectly for your age, and it's easier than you think. Welcome to Official Senior Health, your go-to channel for everything you need to live a vibrant and active life at any age. Today, we're diving into exercises that are safe, effective, and designed especially for those of us who have reached the beautiful milestone of 40 years and beyond. Aging doesn't have to mean slowing down or losing your strength. In fact, with the right moves, you can feel stronger, more flexible, and even more confident than ever. So whether you're in your 40s, 50s, or 60s, these exercises will help you feel energized and maintain your independence for years to come. But before we get into the exercises, here's a quick question. Did you know that one of the biggest reasons for injuries in older adults is simply poor balance and muscle weakness? It's true. And the good news? All 5 exercises I'm about to share will directly target these key areas, dramatically lowering your risk of falls and injuries. Let's get started. Exercise 1. The chair squat. Let's start with something simple but incredibly powerful, the chair squat. It's the perfect introduction to strengthening your legs and glutes without putting too much strain on your knees or back. This exercise mimics the natural motion you use every day when sitting down and standing up, which means it's super functional. Here's how to do it. Stand in front of a sturdy chair with your feet hip-width apart. Slowly lower your hips back and down, as if you're about to sit in the chair, but don't actually sit down. Stop just before your bottom touches the seat. Keep your chest lifted and your knees behind your toes. Then, push through your heels and stand back up. That's 1 repetition. Why is this exercise so important? As we age, our muscles tend to weaken, especially in the legs. This can make daily tasks like climbing stairs or getting up from a low chair more challenging. The chair squat helps rebuild strength in those muscles, which improves your mobility and gives you the confidence to move freely. Plus, it's great for your metabolism and bone density, 2 things that naturally decline with age. And here's a secret: even if you think you're not in shape, chair squats are designed to meet you where you are. You can start slow and increase your reps over time. The key is consistency, not intensity. Exercise 2. Wall push-ups. Next up are wall push-ups, a gentle but effective way to build upper body strength. This exercise targets your chest, shoulders, and arms, all essential for maintaining independence in daily activities like carrying groceries or lifting objects safely. To do wall push-ups, stand facing a wall about an arm's length away. Place your hands flat on the wall at shoulder height and shoulder width apart. Slowly bend your elbows, bringing your chest closer to the wall, then push back to the starting position. Keep your body straight throughout the movement, like a plank. What makes wall push-ups perfect for anyone over 40, 50, or 60 is that they're low impact and easy on the joints, but still provide a great workout for your upper body muscles. Over time, building strength here helps prevent shoulder pain, improves posture, and reduces the risk of falls by giving you better control when using your arms for balance. If you think push-ups are only for gym enthusiasts, think again. Wall push-ups are a fantastic starting point that anyone can do, even from the comfort of their living room. And the best part? You don't need any equipment. Exercise 3. Seated leg raises. Let's focus on the often overlooked muscles in the front of your thighs, known as the quadriceps, with seated leg raises. These are excellent for improving knee strength and stability, crucial for safe walking and preventing knee pain. Sit tall on a chair with your feet flat on the floor, hip-width apart. Slowly straighten one leg out in front of you until it's parallel to the floor. Hold it for a count of 3, then lower it back down. Switch legs and repeat. This exercise helps keep your knee joint stable and reduces stiffness. It also enhances circulation in your legs, which is often a problem as we get older. Plus, it's a perfect option if you have limited mobility or balance concerns, as you're seated throughout. Many people avoid exercise because of joint pain or fear of falling, but seated leg raises are a safe and effective way to strengthen your legs without any risk. The key is moving within your comfort zone and gradually building strength. Exercise 4. Standing calf raises. Now, let's turn our attention to the calves, those hardworking muscles that keep you walking, standing, and even dancing. Strong calves improve your balance and reduce the risk of falls, making standing calf raises an essential part of your routine. Stand behind a sturdy chair and hold onto the back for support. Slowly raise your heels off the floor as high as possible, then lower them back down with control. Focus on squeezing your calf muscles at the top. Why are these important? As we age, our balance can decline, making simple tasks like walking on uneven ground risky. Strong calves provide stability and power to push off the ground, improving your overall gait and reducing fatigue. Here's a fun fact. Standing calf raises are one of the simplest exercises that give you instant improvements in balance and leg strength. And they don't take more than a few minutes a day. Exercise 5. The modified plank. Last but not least, we have the modified plank. A strong core is the foundation of every movement, and it plays a huge role in preventing back pain, improving posture, and keeping you upright and steady. To do a modified plank, start by kneeling on the floor and placing your forearms flat on the ground. Step your feet back so your body forms a straight line from your head to your knees. Engage your abdominal muscles and hold this position for 15 to 30 seconds. If you're just starting, hold as long as you comfortably can and gradually increase the time. The core includes not just your abs but also your lower back and pelvic muscles. Strengthening this area protects your spine, reduces risk of falls, and makes everyday tasks, like bending, twisting, and lifting, much easier. If you think core exercises are only for young athletes, think again. The modified plank is a gentle, beginner-friendly move that can make a massive difference in your stability and pain levels. Imagine being able to stand taller and move more confidently every day. There you have it. 5 simple but powerful exercises that anyone over 40, 50, or 60 can do at home without any fancy equipment. Remember, the goal here isn't to push yourself to extremes but to build strength, improve balance, and maintain your independence with movements tailored for your body. The real magic happens with consistency. Try to incorporate these exercises into your daily routine. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day can make a huge difference over weeks and months. If you want to boost your results, combine these exercises with gentle walking or stretching. And don't forget to listen to your body. If something doesn't feel right, adjust or take a break. Aging is a gift, and staying active is one of the best ways to celebrate it. These exercises are your tools for a stronger, healthier, and more vibrant you. So get moving today, and share your progress in the comments below. We'd love to hear how these exercises are helping you. Thank you for watching Official Senior Health. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips to keep you feeling your best at every age.